Yeah, today it's still going to be a most interesting video, but probably a very important one, because I'm going to show you how to make a storage unit for a roof box. And I'm guessing a lot of my viewers probably have a massive monument in their garage or workshop, whatever, taking up so much room.
This is a roof box we can create a stand for. As you can see, there's a lot of like dust sheet shelves and that, with light bit underneath the roof box. And also, I sort of created a storage, like a corridor here. And the roof box is way too close, so the corridor's way too thin. It makes it really hard to get to the cupboards and open them.
The timber we're using is 2x4 stud work, which is really good value for money. Okay, measure your wood ready for cutting. Then cut to size. Once it's all cut, drill a pilot hole. Then you're ready to screw the whole thing together. This is what the finished frame looks like. Okay, here's the finished product. I'm really pleased with the outcome. It's created so much more space. Just making the roof box slightly higher has given me all this free space. It is great. All you need now is a bike rack. But look, it opens up perfectly with like 5 centimeters clearance, it's great. And let's see the corridor bit. So then here is a massive improvement. All this extra storage space and faster and more productive. So please comment if you find this useful. And here's going to be our next video, hopefully, for Rambo Last Blood Knife. I'm so excited for this. So please subscribe if you find this useful, and comment if it has helped you. So until next time, goodbye.